I'm back with another Sunday reset. And if you guys aren't familiar with my Sunday resets, it's just some things I like to do to prep for the upcoming week. Not all of my resets are the same. It just depends on what's going on that week. This grocery haul that I'm unpacking is mainly for the kids. The end of the school year is pretty much upon us, and I got a lot of little treats and things that I don't buy often for them. On top of that, my husband's gone for the week, so I'm not going to be doing a bunch of like big meals. So we're going to be doing a lot of little quick easy meals throughout this week. So I'm going to unpack all of this and I'll give you guys a little haul. We have some chicken and ground beef, sausage, string cheese, these little Uncrustables. They love these things. Oatmeal, Easy Mac, Honey Bunches of Oats. This is like their favorite cereal. Hamburger Helper. I figured I could make this and then pack it in their lunch for like 1 or 2 days. Sausage, and I always get a bunch of steamed vegetables, so got a bunch of those. Some more garlic. Pizza rolls. My kids love this type of pizza. I haven't bought this in a while, so I picked up a couple of those. Turkey sausage. These things are so good. Like creamy potatoes in it and cheese. So good. Cheese sticks. Uncrustables. This is something I never buy because I just make it myself. It's just a fun little change for Braden, who loves peanut butter and jelly. Strawberries, corn, more fresh produce right here. This salsa actually came free, which is so random, but this came free if you ordered like 2 coffees. Ramen, more ramen, English muffins, butter. The reason I got these tortillas is because they came free with something. It was another something random. We do buy tortillas. We always just buy the freshly made ones that our grocery store makes. Greek yogurt. This is something that I have never bought. I love these, but I don't think I've ever bought these for the kids, so I'm gonna put this in their lunchbox for a little surprise. I love this creamer. I tried a lot of oat milk creamers and they taste more watered down. This one is like really creamy. It's so good. Watermelon, some more Dawn dish soap, individual packs of Oreos, and this is another thing that came free with the bag of apples. So I got the caramel dip for the kids to try for the first time. I don't think they've ever tried dipping their apples in caramel. So all for the groceries. We don't have a lot going on this week as far as like my recipes. I didn't have it planned out like I usually do. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I
since we have less than a month until the movers get here, we really have to think about what we're buying from the grocery store, because obviously the movers cannot pack anything that can go bad, any perishables. So we don't want to have to waste a lot of stuff. So we really are trying to think about everything that we buy from here on out. You guys notice that box by the fridge? That's just something that we got from Crate and Barrel. We decided to keep it in the box so when the movers come, they can just put it onto the truck instead of having to rebox it. It's just a little bit safer that way. You guys will see it when we get to the new house.
But if I fall, I will get up again.
This is my favorite glass cleaner of all time. I've tried so many of them and this works the best.
Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
A lot of you guys may not know this, but I do post on TikTok. TikTok is literally one of my favorite apps. I'm always on it and I have been posting a lot more than usual. I post a lot of home decor hauls and like cleaning things and organization. So go ahead and follow me over there if you haven't already.
Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here.
We're gonna come back to the kitchen in a little bit, but now we're gonna head upstairs to the boys' bathroom and just give it a quick little cleanup. I have to wash all the towels and the rugs. I'm just gonna wipe down the countertops and do the mirrors. I like to do this on Sundays or just at least once a week, but I do kind of spot clean here and there throughout the week if I need to. I find that when I clean their bathroom at least once a week, it's so much faster and easier to clean up because it's not as nasty. I'd rather clean it 1 or 2 times a week rather than just like kind of let the nastiness build up, because I have 2 boys and that toilet, that sink, the floors, everything just gross. So doing it once a week really does help.
Maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
One thing I never remember to do is clean our trash can out. As you can see, it's been a while, so I'm gonna take the liner out and spray the actual trash can with my vinegar and water mix. I'm also gonna spray the liner down and wipe it down really good. The vinegar mix really does help deodorize any scent, so if you haven't cleaned with vinegar mix, it really does a great job.
I tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you off my mind. It's either yes or it's no. I'm not a yo-yo on a string.
Now I'm breaking out my Power Paste by Scrub Daddy. It comes with a sponge and this clay-based cleaner. You wet the sponge and then just kind of move it around in the cleaner. You can use it on almost anything, your grill, to your pots and pans, silverware, things like that. So if you haven't tried this out, I highly recommend it.
'Cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, second guessing your words, 'cause you choke right when I see that you're all I really need. But if I'm honest, I know this whole thing has been a sign that I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna lie tonight, you don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready.
One thing I definitely try to remember to do on Sundays is to sanitize all handles, buttons, knobs, things that get touched often. I try to remember to go over it with a Clorox wipe or a Lysol spray.
Finally don't get enough. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while.
That's it for today's Sunday reset. Comment down below the things that you like to do on Sundays, just some things you like to do to prep for the upcoming week. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one.
Stay in the moment with me.